So it's interesting in the sense that it seems like the general public loves any sort of legal show, legal drama. I think Judge Judy is one of the highest paid women on television, as you describe in the book.
Exactly.
And yet the legal industry as a whole does not have the best reputation. So I'm curious, why do you think that is?
I think many reasons. I think to a certain extent we are set up for failure, because you mentioned shows like Suits, Ally McBeal, The Practice, and I think, justice is quick in those cases. Justice is normally served. No one's talking about the bills or the long hours or the stresses. And I think clients often come to us at some of the most challenging times in their life. They're, someone's been in a catastrophic accident, or they're going through a divorce, or they've been charged with a crime. So often they're coming to us at these challenging times in their life. They have high expectations, often set up by TV. And I think the realities of the profession can be hard-hitting for people. What, you mean it's not going to be resolved right away? You mean it's going to cost me how much? And I think also sometimes just the media is just false in their portrayal of lawyers. I talk about it in the book, the McDonald's coffee lawsuit. You mention that to most people, well, that's crazy. She spilled coffee on her and she got millions. I talk about the real facts of that case, and there have been hundreds of burns. The temperature McDonald's was serving coffee, as alleged in that case, would cause burns in just a matter of seconds. And ultimately, the awards was in the hundreds of thousands, not in the millions. And certainly we have problems in our profession, but the McDonald's coffee lawsuit is not one of them.
Yeah, it's interesting. I know in the book you describe that, when you're watching this on TV, you see someone that, they meet the client, then they go straight to trial, then they have some, amazing outcome with the jury, and then that's it. It ends. But no one talks about the marketing meetings and operations and developing the firm's culture and all the things that happen in between, and like the time spent working on the case and all of those different challenges that arise. That really is the reality of the profession. So what do you do about that? Like, how do you essentially bridge the gap between what consumers, even the general public, believes their experience should be with a lawyer, and then what it is?
I think two ways. I think number one is within, as lawyers. How do we treat our clients? I think managing client expectations. I do civil litigation, and clients are often shocked to learn only about 1% of civil cases go to trial. So the chances of it even going to trial are very slim. Managing their expectations, this is going to be a long process. It could be an expensive process. Giving them the budget from the outset, keeping them informed about what's happening in the case. And then the second branch, like I said, is educating the public. Who is the public? It's our friends, it's our family, it's our colleagues. And so getting the word out about the profession. Almost all lawyers I know, they're good people. Most people become lawyers because they want to do good. They want to serve their clients. They want to dispense justice. So I think we need to try and bridge that gap between the perception and the reality.